guys, and welcome back to the channel. We are officially on set filming Bangin' Gears. I'm going to be making videos and actually taking you guys through this entire experience of filming the show. It is pretty wild. There are so many people on the show that we know, which is making this even better. And already we are like 4-5 days into filming and things have gotten wild. We have engines blowing up, cars spinning out, putting cars that are not meant to do things and forcing them to attempt to do them. Now today we have a packed episode. Tanner Faust is here driving a freaking Senna. We have Rob here with his 4-rotor car, and the Booster Boys are here with their NSX. So I actually brought my Evo, and Adam did as well. I'm going to track the car for the very first time here in Las Vegas. Right now everyone is getting ready to go out on track. I'm really stoked to bring you guys behind the scenes. It's just such a cool mixture of cars and people, and already, like I said, the first week of this, things have been getting crazy. We got the Ferrari going against Booster Boys NSX. The Subaru is going up against the Ferrari. Where else did you see this stuff? It's so good. I love that we put the competitors in practice with each other. Because you can start getting out in your competition engagement around. Look who it is!
Hey.
I think this is gonna have to be a new thing now. Just whatever show I'm doing, just make a call, see if we can get Tanner Faust out here.
I know, I was like, well, I guess okay, I'll do the show. It sounds fun. I get to drive a Senna, and then I saw the list of hosts. I was like, oh, Colette. Okay, that's why.
You know, now we upgraded a little bit, or you did. We started with a VW Bug in the last show, and now just hopping in to a Senna. What were you trying to figure out this morning?
How to lower it. So you have to like rub your ear, click the seatbelt 3 times.
Get in and out maybe 5 more times,
right.
and then clap your hands.
Yes. I had the clapping wrong was the problem.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then it goes down, and luckily James has one of these, so it's like...
Oh, he does?
Yes.
I always forget that. He has a lot of cool cars.
So he knew all the buttons and everything, so it's completely lowered. The arrow's all active. I've gotten the track record information, so we're going for it.
Very nice. You're going up against Rob Dom's 4-rotor, which...
How much is that, 1,200?
I think they dynoed it yesterday. Do you really want to know?
Yeah.
I think it was like 1,200, 1,300.
Wow.
Yeah,
and
but
I mean, so you know the drag is going to be tough to beat. Out here, I mean, I got to try to take a win out here because the drag race can be uphill battle. And this is rear-wheel drive. Isn't the RX-7 four-wheel drive?
Yeah.
I saw a video. It's the one that shoots all the flames out the side and everything.
They all shoot all the flames. Now, this is actually our second 4-rotor on the show, which is pretty crazy. And third or fourth rotary. We're still seeing if we can get some more in, but you've never driven this car before today, right?
No, I can't wait.
Send it. You're going to do great. This is probably going to be my favorite lineup all season. Rob's 4-rotor RX-7 against Tanner in a Senna that is not.
Thank you.
So every day we do the road course stuff. We start super early in the morning, and a few hours into that we have our practices and we go straight into the races, then we're done. We wait for the sun to set and then we go to the drag strip to do the drag racing portion of it at night. And then during the day, they're doing interviews and car reviews, going over the cars and all that. And sometimes we have time to film fun stuff, like Coco jumping over $1 million car. Hey! The next day. I cannot wait for you guys to see that episode. It might end up being my favorite one, but I also find myself saying that over and over and over again. But Rob absolutely held it down for the Rotary fam out there, and it is currently the next day. And before I end this video, I of course had to get a ride along with Tanner in the center.
Pushing buttons. Now the last time we did this, we were jumping in the dirt somewhere.
Yeah, and then we broke a car.
We broke it bad.
So, but now we're in a very fancy car.
We don't want to break it.
No, we don't. We do not.
So James and I just barely got the tires warmed up. It took a long time.
See, that was my strategy. I was going to let James go with him first, and now the tires are warm, so we are good to go.
It's going to take us half a lap to get it warmed up again anyway. Such a short little track, right?
Yes! Like, I can't believe how fast you can push a car that you just got into.
You're nice, but this thing is pretty freaking fun. It's a little twitchy when it slides. It sort of snaps quick.
Yeah!
I had to get used to be honest. It scared me the first time. You feel a little of the downforce working when you dive in. And then it's like, wow, it slides on the way out. It's like, okay, when you're going slow, it doesn't have much grip. But when you're going fast, it kind of hooks up and it's like you can really kind of throw it around.
Probably been a decade since I've been in a car with downforce, so yeah. That was amazing and terrifying.
Woo-hoo.
Thank you for that. I appreciate it. And for those of you wondering where the pups are, they're right here.